Good job. I'm proud of you. How's that feel?
Good.
Yeah, you had a good time? Yeah, what'd you think of that?
We got...
You got what?
42 to 18.
Come on, let's go off the field.
42 to 18.
42 to 18.
Yeah.
Did you have fun out there?
Yeah.
Did you make any big plays? Hey?
No, I didn't even get a touchdown.
No, that's okay. Maybe next week. Come on, let's go. We gotta go see your brother play now. Daddy's gotta get his team ready. Come on.
Where's Mom?
Down here. I don't want to miss your brother's first play.